Hello, Madhavi. This is Anne. It's Sunday, September 28th, and I'm going to show you the video of the condo that I've cleaned today. I think it took me, well, 5 hours. So, kitchen. These stools we used here, and I'm leaving. If there's a problem, just let me know if you don't want them here. They're perfect at the counter. This is the cabinet door with the hinge that needs repairing or replacing that I emailed you about a month or so ago. Probably longer than that, but I just wanted you to see the condition that I'm leaving it in. Freezer, fridge, same condition I found it. There was a few problems. There's cracks on the bottom shelf that were there, and I did take pictures of that when